Hi everyone, my name is Amit. I am here since 1 year. Gym is Kailash Dham. The most important part what I like about the gym is the environment is very friendly. You can approach the trainers or the manager very easily. We have got exercise for all age categories, let it be a teenager or let it be adult. We have got diet counseling, we have got health counseling, and the most important thing is this neat and clean gym, the hygienic gym. We also have different exercises. We have Zumba, we have got aerobics, we got yoga. The timings are very suitable for everyone. You can come in the morning, you can come in the evening. It's flexible for all. And the diet counseling for each and every age categories, health counseling for each and every age categories. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Pooja. I'm in this gym since almost a year. I haven't lost much of weight, but definitely inch loss is there. And I should say my strength, endurance and fitness has increased to a lot of extent. And it's all because of our manager and the trainers in this gym. And they help us out really in a very good way. The most interesting part in this gym is what is Zumba. And we love Zumba like anything. And in fact, we have kickboxing, we have a lot of other exercises such as Pilates, plyometrics, and it's on and on. So it's just that interesting. Every time it is more interesting. It keeps me coming. This is because of it, I'm here in this gym. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Swapnil. I'm here since last 8 months. This is a beautiful gym. I mean everything over here, the machineries, the trainers and the group classes taken over here. Especially the group classes which are taken over here helps you to lose a lot of weight, and this is one of its kind in Pune. I'm really happy to be the part of this gym since last 8 months, and it really helps you to maintain yourself at a very good level. Thank you.
My name is Shirisha. I'm part of this gym for the last 8 months. This gym is excellent. The trainers are very good, very cooperative. I joined this gym with a knee problem. I had an accident and I had a hamstring muscle tear. They have really helped me to recover. For the last 8 months they've trained, almost 90% of my pain has reduced. Annie, she's an excellent trainer, a very good guide, and it has really helped me. I'm very lucky to be a part of this gym. Thank you.